Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change Google Play Store profile picture on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course I'm going to open my Play Store. As you can see, this is my account. At the top right in the corner of your screen, there are no profile picture guys. So if you want to change for the profile picture, just tap on it. And after, in this page, you have to tap on this add profile picture at the bottom. And this is the image or the picture that provided by Google. You can use it as your profile picture guys. If you have your own picture or your own photo, just tap on this device and it will be look like this. Tap on this browse or take a photo. In this pop-up, you can choose for the photo or the picture that you want to use as your profile picture by the camera, which is you have to take a selfie by real life, or tap on this media picker. It will be entered to your gallery guys, like this. So for example, here I'm gonna use the picture that provided by Google. I'm gonna use this one for example guys. Now in this page, you can also use for the filter here at the bottom that provided. But here I'm gonna tap on the next button. Now tap on the save as profile picture. It's processing. You just have to wait for a few moments. And it's successfully updated guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.